Yeah, he did the same thing.
Drain, it was leaking, and so it was like coming down the walls.
Yeah.
Is that something that you can fix?
I might be able to.
Okay.
Yeah, I might be able to tighten it up.
Yeah, because I don't want that to. It's not happening, but I don't want it to happen again. And
well, I could maybe tighten that down the bottom down there. I'll have to see.
Okay. Awesome. All right. Let me know if you need anything.
This one was out too. Trying to save water. Flipping here from hell here. See if we can fix the drain. Thinks it's loose. The shower head, we gotta take that washer out of there. He had this one out too. Water level on the bowl will be too low. Fine. We're flipping here from hell here. Looking nasty. She's a gnarly one, Mama. She's gnarly. It's gonna be a flipping rat's nest pulling out of there. I bet you. Oh. Fuck yeah. What do we got there? Gross. See if we can tighten it. Weapon. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. I'm gonna figure out why you wear gloves. Gross. Fucking gross. Gross. See if we can tighten that. Maybe a little bit. I think I can. Oh yeah, it's just loose as a goose. It's just loose as a goose. Wow. See, as loose as a goose, Mama. Flipping gnarly. Why would you wear gloves? I never figured out. Never figured out. Fucking gross. Gross. Ugh, gross. She's a slick one. I'll take this out. I was complaining about the water flow on this one too. And pull this gasket out of here. Give it more flow. Yeah, a little O-ring in there, we gotta get that out. We'll get more flow now. It'll work good now. It's gonna give a good douche. It'll be give a good douche now. Alright, let's try it. Alright, that's good. There you go. Okay, take that out and get more flow.